Nicole Hollandati, and today I'm here to show you the 2007 Forest River Sunseeker. With 2 slides giving this 28-foot Class C motorhome the space you desire, and features like the 5,000-pound tow hitch, the 40G Guardian generator, and lockable pass-through storage. And being a 28-foot motorhome built on a Ford chassis, you can rest assured that you will feel confident and comfortable behind the wheel as you negotiate those campgrounds out west. You know where else you'll be comfortable? Follow me.
If you're looking for a comfortable layout and space for the kids, this floor plan will catch your eye with a booth-style dinette, loft area, an open kitchen that includes a microwave, 3-burner cooktop, and an oven. And as the night approaches, you will rest easy with a bedroom television hookup and 30,000 BTU furnace.
So if your family loves to explore, or you're ready to pack your bags and go on an adventure, the 2007 Forest River Sunseeker may be that little gem you've been looking for. Call Sylvan Lake RV today at 403-887-0911.